Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marsha if you're new, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this defined, moisturized, just beautiful twist out using Mixed Chicks products. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Before we proceed in this video guys, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and share with someone who you think might find it helpful. So step one is to cleanse and condition. You want to make sure that your hair is clean and moisturized, and to cleanse I'm using the Mixed Chicks shampoo. I'm just gonna work that throughout my hair, and for my conditioner I'm gonna be using the Mixed Chicks deep conditioner. This conditioner felt really good on my hair. It was great for detangling and it left my hair really soft and moisturized. So I just work it throughout the section and detangle. I'm gonna do that all over my head and allow my hair to deep condition for about an hour. So now that I've rinsed my conditioner, I'm going to go into step 2, which is to moisturize and seal. And for my leave-in, I'm using the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna apply that in the same sections that I deep conditioned my hair in. So I'm applying a generous amount and I'm just gonna work it throughout the section. So I'm using the LOC method, you guys, so leave-in, oil and cream. So that was my leave-in, and my oil is extra virgin olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you choose to use. And so I'm applying the oil in the same section. I'm working it throughout the section, make sure that I'm getting all the strands. Then I'm gonna comb it through with my white tooth comb to make sure that all the product is distributed evenly. So moving on to step 3, I'm going to start the styling process. So right here I'm just sectioning a medium-sized section of my hair from the same section where I already applied the leave-in and the oil. Sorry about the video quality in this section, you guys. And I'm gonna go in with the Mixed Chicks styling cream. I'm gonna apply that to the section that I parted off, making sure that I get my ends and working throughout the section. Then I'm gonna detangle, ensuring that the section is really smooth. Then I'm going to start twisting. Now guys, for this twisting part, this is very essential for the style to turn out great. You want to be pulling the hair tight as you twist it. You don't want to be just twisting very nonchalantly. You want to be twisting, you want the twist to be really tight. It's going to unravel some when you finish twisting and let it go, but that's the fact that it's going to unravel is why you want to be pulling it taut as you are twisting, because that is going to ensure that the style, that you get the best definition from the style. So I'm just twisting all the way down to the end, and when I get to the end I'm gonna twirl it around my finger to make sure that I don't get any frizz at my ends. Now this step where I'm using a cotton t-shirt to get rid of the excess product is another very important step. This is going to make sure that you don't get any flaking when your style is dry. I'm just repeating the same process here so that you guys can get this really well, because this is so very important for your style to turn out great. So I apply the styling cream, ensure that the section is thoroughly detangled. I split the section as evenly as possible, because if not, your twists are going to come out different sizes and you're not going to get the best definition. So of course, twisting again, making sure that you are pulling tightly on the twist as you twist it. And once I get down to the end, I'm going to twirl it around my fingers, and as you can see I'm detangling to make sure that the section is really smooth as I twist the hair. Then I'm going in with my cotton t-shirt to remove the excess product. Guys, I advise that you use a cotton t-shirt. I used my fingers previously to remove the product and it didn't do a good job. I still got flaking. So make sure that you're using a cotton shirt or a microfiber towel to remove any excess product. So that's all my hair twist set up. You can see the sections that I did, not too big, not too small, medium sized section, and my curls are looking really moisturized. So step 4 is the takedown. I waited a day for my hair to dry completely. Ensure that your hair is fully dried, and I'm gonna apply the Mixed Chicks hair silk to my hair before I attempt to unravel my twist. So I use a generous amount, apply it to my fingers, and I'm applying it to all the twists all over my head. Once I've done that, then I'm gonna start unraveling. Ensure that you have some of the hair silk on your finger. When you're ready to start unraveling, you're going to gently start at the bottom of the twist, and once you get that pulled out, you're going to hold one side of the twist and unravel the next side in the opposite direction that you twisted. And look at that definition, guys. That is what you want to see when you take your twist out. So I'm just gonna continue taking out the rest of my twists. I'm gonna leave you guys to enjoy this little section. So I've taken out all of my twists, and now I'm just gonna pull all the hair up and leave the back section down. I'm going to start separating. So when you're separating, you want to pull on the section and you want to allow it to naturally separate, and then you kind of feel with your fingers where the hair naturally wants to separate, and that's where you're going to separate. If you force the separation and try to separate, just go ahead and separate the twist like that, it's going to create a lot of frizz. So this part requires a little bit of patience to just see where the hair naturally wants to separate, and that is where you're going to separate. For each section, I separated twice or 3 times the most. You don't want to over separate because you're gonna lose too much definition and create too much frizz. So although it kind of depends on the look that you're going for, but I would hate to see you get so much beautiful definition and lose it because you over separated. Your hair is gonna get frizzy as the days go by anyway. So guys, I slowed down this little section to show you what might happen when you're trying to separate your twists. So right here, this section just does not want to separate. It's kind of just clumping together, and if I force it, I am gonna create too much frizz, and then I'm gonna lose the definition in that section. So as you can see, I'm just kind of leaving it alone. I separated at the ends where it kind of separated, and I just left it. So guys, that's it. My hair is now fully separated to my liking. I'm just showing you what it looks like in the back. So once it's separated, I'm gonna go in with my white tooth comb and just fluff the roots to get rid of any partings and to just make my hair flow together. I'm then going in with some Eco Styler gel on my edges just to finish off the style and make everything look nice and neat. I'm I'm also adding some pins just to let my hair fall how I want it to fall at the front. I hate when my hair is in my eyes too much, so I always use some pins to pin it up. And that's the finished look, you guys. I hope you all learned something from this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have been struggling with perfecting your twist out, I promise if you follow the steps I showed you in this video, you are going to get the best twist out of your life. Don't forget to leave a comment what hairstyle you've always struggled with in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video.